All right, ladies and gentlemen, Fab is in the house. Welcome back to the channel. I have something pretty cool right over here from Lautie. This is the Carnival Nano, and I'm gonna share it with you. What I think, what I see, what I don't see, what I like, what I don't like. But first of all, let me get you through the usual suggestions, like, for example, like, subscribe, leave me a comment down below right over here. Check out fablades.com. Actually, that's a pretty cool thing you can do because we have a very nice consignment program that we are running. So you can buy these kind of toys, you can play, have fun, treat them nicely, of course, and then when you're bored, or if you don't like, or if you want to change it up, just send it back to us. We're gonna sell it for you, and we're gonna just give you the money back. Less, a small percentage for the trouble, which is 15%. So check out the consignment program as I'm going to check out this Carnival Nano right over here. It comes, of course, like with some extra part. There's a button, there are some balls in it, and of course the key to take it apart from the back. Inside here we got some stickers and extra bearings, magnets, all the goodies that you will need if you lose some parts or something goes wrong. Anyways, let's go ahead, check the measurements for this bad boy. 47 millimeter in width and 20, let's say 21 millimeter in height. So yeah, it's tiny. This is the Carnival Nano. That is the regular Carnival. The Mega Carnival is massive. It's just like purely desk kind of deal, but this is the Nano. So there's no glass on top over here. There's no balls because you saw they're still in the bag. But this, I would have to say, is the loudest of them all. You see, there's a little. I hope the mic can pick the noise up because this guy is pretty quiet. I mean, still, this is quiet, but not as much as the other one. This fella is the configuration is the copper, nickel, and bronze. So copper, nickel on top, bronze inside, and bronze underneath. Of course, rubberized. It's pretty cool. I have to say, to be honest, the regular one is my favorite because of the braking system. So you can just spin it, just spins whatever. When you're ready, the bets are all done. You just do this. I love the braking system on this one, which is absent in this one. There's no braking system except for your finger, so you gotta have to stop it yourself. It's pretty cool, of course, but it's not the same as the regular Carnival. I mean, it's like when they do the movie, like the first movie might be good, then they go second part, third part. It's tricky. Sometimes you can't match the allure, the hype, and everything that came with the first one, if the first one is good, I mean. But anyways, this is the Lautie Carnival Nano. There are several iterations on this one. This, even says Nano on the back. And you have the numbering right over here. So this is not a limited run, so you can get these. There's a bunch of them in the wild, and it's a pretty cool one. I really like the profile, like slanted like this, compared as opposed to the concave one, which I truly love. But because of the nano form factor, I like how they slanted like that. Of course, I appreciate the rubber because it's not going to slide on your desk, but this mainly is a desk calendar. It looks pretty cool. It sounds different. It's not quiet, and it feels good. But again, my favorite will always be the regular Carnival. I like the polished skull right over here in the back. Copper nickel looks good, of course. all the numbering are done. You even have a skull, which would probably be right over here. That's the number 0, I'm assuming. But yeah, I mean, let's just check one other measurement, which is the weight. Let me grab my scale over here and see how this bad boy is doing on the scale. So it's not going to be something you want to toss in your pocket, because it's going to be 4.6 ounces, not too bad, compared to the 6.7 ounces of the bad boy. But still, reasonably weighted, but not really. I mean, not really for the pocket. It's for the desk, to have fun with your buddies, to bet, and I don't know, just do, you know, responsibly, of course. Don't gamble, but you can bet on some cool stuff. I don't know. Let me know in the comments down below, what are you gonna bet about with this Carnival Nano? So there you have it. Really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.